What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're gonna be making something called the Embassy Cocktail. So the Embassy Club was a nightclub way back in the 1900s in Hollywood, California, about 50 miles away from me. This was a very prestigious nightclub. And when I say nightclub, I mean a, speakeasy. That's what we think of when you say nightclubs from back then. The Embassy Club was really known for its prestige back in the heydays of Golden Hollywood, as some might say. They were very known for their rum and cognac punches and drinks, and this is what am I trying to think of? This is a culmination of the Embassy Club's drinks. So let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're gonna do is half an ounce of fresh lime juice. Depending on your lime, it's about either 3/4 to 1 whole lime, maybe even more. Okay. So half an ounce of fresh lime juice. Then what we're gonna do, 3/4 of an ounce of cognac. I am using Delou. I said it wrong the last time, not Deleuze. It's French. Delou VSOP cognac. It is an incredibly good cognac on its own. It's my goal not to use the big name brands of cognac, like Martell, Courvoisier, Hennessy, Remy Martin. There's so many different smaller cognac distilleries from the area of Cognac, France, and I just really want everyone to try different cognacs. I know Hennessy, they have a big name, but doesn't mean they're the best. It's certainly good, I'm not saying it's bad, but I like this better than Hennessy VSOP. Then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of Rhum Agricole. Rhum Agricole. I am using Clement Martinique Clement Martinique Rhum Agricole VSOP rum. So yeah, these are all French ingredients except for the limes. The limes are from Orange County. And then 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. Ooh. Then about a dash of Angostura bitters. You know what to do. Add ice to our tin. Combine our tins. Woo, and shake. Finally, what we're gonna do is we're gonna double strain into our chilled Nick and Nora glass. Then we're gonna garnish with a lime wheel. And there we have it, the Embassy Cocktail. Let's give it a sip. One more. It's a very pleasing cocktail. There's something silky with the combination of the cognac and the rum, the French style rum, that just perfectly blend together. I don't know what it is. I think it's definitely oaky in nature. I believe that these two, the rum and the cognac, they both use oak barrels? Let's see. Yeah, oak barrels. And this one, I don't know what it's. An oak. Yeah. So you definitely get that oak flavor. That morphs into the lime and Cointreau combination. The orange notes and the lime note. Oh man, it's really good. Don't know how I feel about a lime wheel. Not the biggest fan of lime garnishes, but it's a really good drink. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, stay safe, everyone. See you in the next one.